Hey there, clean freaks! In today's video, we're going to share some quick cleaning tips for your bathroom. Tip number 1. Keep your supplies handy. Keep your cleaning supplies, such as wipes, sprays, and brushes, in a caddy under the sink or in a nearby closet. This will save you time and make it easier to clean up messes as they happen. Tip number 2. Tackle one task at a time. Break up your cleaning tasks into smaller, more manageable tasks, such as wiping down the sink, cleaning the toilet, and scrubbing the shower. This will help you stay focused and make cleaning less overwhelming. Tip number 3. Use multi-purpose products. Use multi-purpose products, such as all-purpose cleaners and disinfectant wipes, to clean multiple surfaces in your bathroom. This will save you time and money, as you won't need to buy multiple products for each task. Conclusion, and that's it. By following these simple tips, you can keep your bathroom clean and fresh in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.